Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class I'm going to be showing you how to do your yoke, okay, how to attach your yoke to your dress, right? Okay, so now I've gone ahead to prepare my basic bodies. So you're going to be doing that. Just draft down your basic bodies. I know you can do that, it's easy. Adding your waist dart, your bust dart, okay, then your back tightening. You remove your back tightening, your shoulder slope. Okay, just do your basic bodies and cut out. So while drafting your basic bodies, you should remember to stop at the half length. Okay, remember to stop at the half length. Do your difference between your front and your back. Mine is 1.5. That's what you're going to use to draft your bust dart. So just do that, then you cut out. Neck width and neck depth. Back is 3 1. Okay, 3 width is 3 and the depth is 1, while the depth is 3 and the width is 3 inches. So just do this, then close your bust dart. After closing your bust dart, then you can cut on your tulle net. Okay guys, now I've gone ahead to cut out my sleeve and my yoke. Now the front you're going to be cutting on fold, while the sleeve you cut on fold. But the back I added 1 inch to my back, and I added ½ inch allowance to all my sides, armhole, shoulder, and the side of my sleeve. I'm going to go ahead to join my shoulder, join my sides. Okay, and I'll be leaving this back open, and I'll join my sleeve to my yoke. I'll do that, and I'll show you the next step to follow. I'm going to show you how to join your yoke, okay? How to drape your yoke on this. I said your yoke should get to under the bust because of this our deep V that we have here. So what I'm going to be doing is to pin down, okay? I'm going to pin down. You start pinning from, make sure your shoulder is seated at the right place, okay? And the sides too, seated at the right. If you get your measurement properly, you're going to be getting the sides. So the next thing you're going to be doing is to pin down, okay? Pin your yoke to your bodies. I'm going to be pinning this round. I'll get someone to help me for the back. So I'm going to be pinning this round. I'm just holding down the front. So if you got your measurement properly, you won't be having fitting issues for this dress. The only time you have fitting issues when your measurement is not correct or your client's measurement is not correct. So it's always advisable to try out with your measurement first before you collect clothes from a client. So when you're draping your yoke, make sure you drag. Make sure you drag down. So I'm going to finish it up off camera. Then after joining this my yoke, the next thing I'm going to do is to cut out from 0.5 inch because I'm going to be turning it by 0.5. So I'm going to be cutting out 0.5 all around till the back. So okay, this is the back. This is what the back looks like. By the time I go ahead to hold my back yoke, I'm going to show you how to style the yoke. I'll be styling the back yoke. Okay, I'll be having a press button for the back. So I'll show you how to style it when I've taken it all out. Okay guys, now for the back, this is my yoke. To style the back, you see, just come up by whatever you know you use for your button or your press button. I'll be using 3 inches. So from that 3 inches, I'll cut to how I want it to be. I want the back to be open. Okay. So from that 3 inches, I'm going to cut. I'll give it a mark. And I want it to come all the way close to the armhole. Alright. All the way close to the armhole. And I'm going to do this.
Okay.
Because I had already stitched this side down. I'm not trying to lose it out. So because I've already stitched here, I'll just lose it out. No problem now. So I'll take this part, place on this other side. Okay, I'll be using this part I've cut out now. I'll place it on this other side and cut out the same thing. So this will be my back yoke. I'll just fold here for my press button. I'll fold it in twice. Okay, because this part will be overlapping on this other side. This is what I will have. If you have someone to do this on your body, it will be better for you. Get someone to do it on your body. Like I said, this is not something you should do alone. Okay, so this is where my press button will be, 3 inches, and my back here will be open. I'm just going to use this one, lose out this one, use it to cut out this other side, and I'll fix my press button.